Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to continue on with the looking at the coloured $2 coins, and we're getting a fair way through the series now. But today we're up to the 2017 Lest We Forget Anzac coin. Now this is one of my favourite looking coins. I love colour, and I love these particular coins that have a lot of colour, and in the sort of grade that these guys are in, they they're beautiful looking coin really, and there's just lots of design elements in them, all the way from the outside edge all the way into the middle. So it's very eye appealing, and certainly with the rainbow of colours in the centre of the coin. Sorry, I'm just struggling to keep it in focus. Maybe if we zoom in a bit further, we can have a closer look at the coin. And look at that sort of finer detail there. Let's just rotate it around. Alright, so we got Lest We Forget up the top there, and $2 down the bottom. And we've also got the initials there, TD, which must be the designer's initials. Alright, so let's rotate this coin around, and we will see that it is a 2017. As we can see there, all these particular ones I've got here were all taken from circulation, and these can still be found in circulation. These are probably one of the easier ones to find, as the mintage is, 3.9 million on these guys. So it's one of the well, it'd be probably one of the higher mintage coloured coins available, if not the highest, based on what we've looked at already. So these are fairly plentiful, and you shouldn't have too much trouble finding. You will have to go through obviously a lot of $2 coin rolls, but I have no doubt if you put the yards in, put the time in, you will come up with one of these guys. Alright, so these guys came out in 2017, as I said. Now, I was also able to get a fair few of these in the RAM bags. So the Mint, through their website at the time, were doing basically a coin or a swap. So you paid $10, you got $10 worth of coins. You did have to pay some postage, but usually I would go and buy a number of other items, so you would the postage costs wouldn't hurt so much. And I think at the time you were able to get 3 bags at a time. So I think I've probably got 5 or 6 bags here. I'm not sure. I think I've probably got more elsewhere. But so they came in the 5 coin bag like this. And these guys, what are these ones? These ones sell as a bag like this. Currently today at around $20 a bag. So they have doubled in price. I think you can get some good bargains on these, where it's $20 including the postage, and sometimes people are selling these for $15 plus postage. So these guys are well worth hanging on to, or grabbing a hold of if you can get them in uncirculated condition. The individual coins in uncirculated condition, these guys sell for consistently around the $5 each. So if you can't find one and you're desperate, $5 should get that to you, usually posted. So $5 is not too much to outlay for your $2 coin collection. So the other thing they had available from the Mint at the same time was the C Mint marked coin, and we have one here in front of us, and this is the packaging and some of the information there regarding the actual coin and what it depicts. We won't go into all that, but if you want to pause, you can pause and have a quick read of that. But obviously it's an Anzac Day coin, so it's always going to be in remembrance of that particular time. And we've got a mintage there of 40,000. Now, I wasn't able to go and check to see whether or not they actually made 40,000. They tend to put the figure on there of what they intend to make, and it doesn't always work out that way. It's determined by the number that they actually sell. So on other years, certainly there has been ones that the thought was that they were going to produce 40,000 of them, but they may have only produced 10 to 15,000. So depending on how many of those produced will determine where these things go price-wise. So if we zoom in on this one, just to show you the C mint mark, which on the left there, so I'm sure you can all see it there on the left. I will point it out just there. So this is a C mint mark, Canberra minted coin. If I grab one of the other ones, you'll see there that it looks exactly like it does on the right hand side. Both those fields are filled with that mosaic pattern. So yeah, you can see it fairly well there, that the C mint mark is put in a good spot, really. Sometimes they put them right in the center, but this particular one is off to the left. So another item that they came out with in conjunction with Australia Post was this PNC. I'll try and fit it on as best we can. So this is also a C mint marked coin. You might be able to just, there we go, we can see that there. Now what I don't know is this mintage on this particular PNC is 9,000. So we can see there that it was limited to 9,000, and this, I don't know whether that 9,000 is included in the 40,000 of the C mint mark, that you end up with 49,000 potentially in circulation. So that's one thing. If anyone knows the answer to that, please leave a comment. It'd be really interesting to know whether that 40,000 includes this 9,000. Yeah, so these guys here, recommended retail price was $20. Currently, based on what I've seen on eBay, they really haven't gone up in value too much. They're selling for around the $25 to $30, and basically for that $30 you're getting free postage. So I think that's about, oh yeah, they also came out in RAM rolls. So those particular rolls sell for around the $90 to $100 per roll. And I think I said everything there. Yes, I did. Alright guys, well that's about it. Hope you've enjoyed this look at another one of our beautiful $2 coloured coins, and we'll continue to move through this series over the coming weeks. Alright guys, make sure you've joined the Facebook group, lots of stuff going on there, and link will be in the description. Oh yeah, just a reminder, if you haven't checked out yesterday's dollar coin hunt video, we've got these missing SD 5-cent coins, which are a giveaway. We've got 2 of them to give away. I've put them in these 2x2s, and I have squished the staples so they don't scratch against each other. Thanks for the tip on that one. And yeah, so you've got to answer a question. Watch that video, you get all the details, and we'll probably give that away. I think I said either Tuesday or Wednesday, I can't remember. So yeah, coming up soon anyway. But yeah, get on there and make sure you put your comment on that particular video. Don't leave your comment on this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.